guys, for one thing, I don't like this show. I just like the color of it. Guess I'm not gonna be talking fast. Oh well. And I'm gonna be opening this today. Ginger ale. No one knows what this is. Look at the back. Spider-Man, Miles. Spider-Man, Venom. I forgot what his name is. And I watched the movie, but really, the only names I remember is Spider-Pork. I think that was her name. Gwen Stacy and Miles Morales. I'm ripping it apart. It's fine. I don't need it. I mean, I don't, I guess. Oh god. So the size need to be put up as well. This tape. I just broke the tape. My nose, that's sharp. This is my face. 15-year-old dumb man, my face was real. LOL. I'm actually really excited. This is my most sense of damage because that's just me. But when I say I'm really excited, I'm really excited. But okay, now it's showing. But yeah. Morales. So, he looks so. He's typing. I got it off. That was the most ugliest laugh ever. I feel like they have heard really ugly ones. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is made out of metal. This is literally made out of metal. That's what the box literally says. METALFIGS. Marvel. You know, the only Marvel movie I watched is Into the Spider-Verse and Across the Spider-Verse. Well, those movies. Actually, no, I think watch a few more. Anyways, we opened it. Okay, bye. Bye, love y'all.